this is Alex with Basement Finish Pros. The short time lapse that you just saw is from a partial finished basement job. The guys did an amazing job there, even though it was a small job. It was very tricky but the fun project. The walls were in such a bad shape and the floor was in a very bad shape. There was cracks and spalls everywhere. There was efflorescence build up in the corners. There was rust build up. We had to use a muriatic acid to remove all those mineral deposits, fill in the cracks, fill in the spalls, and grind it and sand it to achieve a nice smooth finish, so to get it ready for the moisture mitigation and coating. So since this was a small basement and we were on a budget, we primarily focused on moisture mitigation and giving it a nice finished look, even though we were on a very low budget, but it came out very nice, as you see in the time lapse. So the first step for the moisture mitigation was applying a penetrating concrete sealer, which chemically interacts with the water molecules. It chases the water into the concrete and then expands into the pores and becoming a permanent moisture barrier in the actual concrete substrate. Second step was applying a polyurea top coat, and polyurea coatings are known for their strong chemical bond that they achieve with the concrete finishes and many other finishes like metal and so on. They are elastomeric. They have low to zero VOC and they're very easy to work with and they last for decades. This is an amazing product and we really like working with it and using it in basements for moisture mitigation. To give the basement a more finished look, we installed 6-inch recessed cans with LED bulbs, energy efficient ones. We repainted the ceiling. We replaced the basement windows, the existing basement windows, with new energy efficient ones. We refinished and cleaned up and repainted the staircase to give it a nice fresh look. We actually framed up a new closet under the staircase for more storage and added baseboards and trim work. We replaced the old plastic utility sink with a new stainless steel one. We framed in and added new screens at the crawl space. We added new switches and new power outlets to give the basement a nice finish look. The homeowner and we are very happy with how the basement came out. It looks clean and dry and will stay like that for many years to come. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next episode.